are going to love the 2019 Dodge Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sport car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, compass, fog lights, security system, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, rear view camera. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.